भई कुंवरी भूप वृषभानु के। भई कुंवरी भूप वृषभानु के। थिरकत चले झुंड ग्वालन अरु। झुंड सबे बनितान के। भई कुंवरी भूप वृषभानु के। भई भूप कुंवरी भूप वृषभानु के। वृषभानु, he was the king of Braja at that time. Bhup means king. Vrishabhanu was the name of father of Radha. So Radha appeared in Barsana. This message everyone got. As they received the message, they all got very excited. थिरकत चले झुंड ग्वालन अरु। झुंड सबय बनितान के। भई भीर वृषभानु भूप घर। शोर बधाई न गान के। को कछु कहत न को कछु पूछत। बंद सबय पट भान के। कीरति माथ लुटावत दो कर। थार भरे मोतियान के। पै कृपाल सब भानु कुंवरी के। भूखे दर्शन दान के। This part describes how Brajavasis felt. You see, when Krishna was born, although he is going to take birth next year, but we are singing now. So in the birthday celebration of Krishna, at least all the Brajavasis who came, and Mother Yashoda was throwing all the precious jewels and pearls and things, fine blankets. So it is said that at that time there was no one. Yachak bhaye ayachak sigare. All those who needed something, now they had no need to ask for that with anyone. Yachak, those were needy people. So there were no needy people. They all received what they wanted. When Radha's birthday celebration, they all came, and Kirati Kumari is throwing everything. Everything means whatever she saw. She was so excited, she just went on throwing pearls or jewels or ornaments, anything. Lutavati, she was just throwing. So people can take it whatever they want. But no one was picking anything. That was the beauty. At least people picked something, whatever they needed, when Yashoda threw things. But in Radha's birthday celebration, nobody had any desire to pick anything. Why? Because their minds were engrossed for in the love of Radha. Bhukhe darshan dan ke. They were all only hungry and thirsty to receive the grace and vision of Radha. Darshan dan ke bhukhe. We were only wanting the vision of Radha, nothing else. So this was a different situation. You see, Radha, she is the queen of queens, you can say. all those great supreme gods and goddesses. And Radha is the mother of all of those, or even the queen of all the gods and goddesses we know. So what we would have heard is like celestial Riddhi Siddhi, they are very worldly things, Riddhi Siddhi. You would have heard great luxuries, there are powers, Riddhi and Siddhi in yoga. They are just nothing. The great powers of Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha is the exposition of God's almightiness, God's luxury. The greatness of God is seen in Vaikuntha. So all the beauty of Vaikuntha is represented by Mahalakshmi. So when Mahalakshmi is the servant of Radha, so who could describe the beauty of divine Varsana? No one can describe. However, when Radha appeared, although Kirati mother was throwing away everything, no one was picking, he was simply desiring the vision of Radha. In another pad, Chalo wali dekhan bhanu lali, आनंद हूँ आनंद देती यह लादिनी शक्ति अली, चलो अली देखन भानु लली, रूप ही रूप रस ही रसदायिनी, प्रेम पीयूष पली, लोग लुगाइन गाई बधाइन, कीरति महल चली, चलो वली देखन भानु लली, चोआ चंदन विविध सुगंधन, सुरभित गली गली, सब विभोर कृपालु प्रेम रस, जनु को उछलिन छली, चलो वली देखन भानु लली, चलो वली देखन भानु लली. In this part, Radha's personality is described. Chalo Ali, when they heard Radha is born, they said, oh, come and go to Barsana, see Radha. Ali means, oh friend, oh Gopi, come on, and come to Barsana. Dekhan bhanu lali. आनंद हूँ आनंद देती है लादिनी शक्ति अली. आनंद हूँ आनंद देती is a philosophy of love in this particular line. Anand is God. God is Anand. God is divine bliss. So God is always in Anand. God is always bliss. Not blissful. He himself is bliss. So God is bliss. Anand. Anandam Brahma Veda mantra. Brahma is Anand. Brahma is divine bliss. So Anandahu Ananda Deti. God is bliss. But the charm of bliss comes from Radha. The charm, the beauty, the sweetness of that bliss comes from Radha. So Radha is the bliss of bliss. are the essence of bliss, are the origin of bliss. So God is bliss, but the charm of bliss is Radha. Just like a nice flower. You saw from distance, oh, very nice. You came close, touched it. No, it is artificial. It doesn't have that softness. Color is okay, but not that natural. No perfume. You don't like it very much. And a natural flower, it has perfume, softness, delicacy, charm. You don't see it from close. So, if there is nothing, I mean, the charm of bliss is taken out, nothing remains. So Radha gives the charm to that blissfulness. What is the sweetness of that bliss of God? That is Radha. So Anandahu Anandadeti. With Radha, or because of Radha, God is blissful. Without Radha, there cannot be bliss anywhere in the divine phenomena. So Anandahu Anandadeti Alhadini Shakti Ali. One gopi is saying to her friend, "Oh Ali, oh friend, Ahladini Shakti. Have you heard? Ahladini Shakti in the Vedas." So Radha is the essence of Ahladini Shakti. Ahlad means that power that makes God blissful, or makes God bliss. So Radha is that power which makes all the divine phenomena blissful and full of divine love. रूप है रूप, रस है रस दायिनी, प्रेम पीयूष पली. रूप है रूप. Roop means beauty. Rasahi, rasadayan. Ras means bliss, you can say. There are quite a few words in Sanskrit, like rasa, ananda, prema rasa, rasa rasa. But in English we have only one word, bliss. So we have to understand. Because we are scared of scarcity of words in English language. We have. So this ras means, ras is superior to bliss, you can say. You can say love or divine love. So रूप है रूप, रस ही रस दायिनी. Take it like this. The beauty of Vaikuntha or the beauty of Krishna. Vaikuntha Adhipati Mahavishnu is called Bhagavan. So Radha makes Bhagavan, makes God blissful, as explained in the first line. Second line says, take for instance Krishna or Rama. Their charm was well known in Ayodhya and Braj. Everyone was charmed with the beauty of Krishna. He has such a beauty. Whoever saw Krishna, once a jnani, when he saw Krishna, he says, Mayat pantha pati bhimarathya digambara ko pitamal nila vinyasta hasto pinitamba bimbi dhuta samakarashati chitta vittam. That jnani, he happened to come to Braj and saw Krishna. He was divine jnani, not only Atma jnani. Because he was divine jnani, so he recognized, oh, this is my beloved. and he was fully fallen in Krishna's love. At that time he says, Maya pantha patibhim rathyaha digambara kopitamala nila. He is a small baby Krishna. He says, "O Gyanis of this world, don't come to Braj." Why? If you want to save your Gyan, then don't come. If you want to lose your Gyan, you must come. Why? Because if you will come to Braj, you will find a little boy standing. Nitamba Bimbe is standing. One of his hand sitting on his hips in a charming way he is standing, and he is smiling. If you happen to see that naughty boy, Dhuta means naughty boy, Dhuta samakarshati chitta vittam. Chitta, your heart, will be stolen away by that naughty boy. So if you happen to come to Braj, you cannot save your Gyan and Yoga. You will fall in love. He expresses in a sweet way. His way of expressing his love for Krishna. So you see, Krishna's charm is well known. He was known as Chit Chor, the one who stole the hearts of every being in Braj. So he had such a beauty. Srupa hi Rupa. How you got the charm of that beauty? The charm. That charming beauty, the charm in that beauty, how Krishna got that? Because of Radha. Radha gave Krishna charm. So because of Radha, Krishna's beauty was encharming. Rasa hi rasadayin. Krishna's love is so sweet, beyond expression, beyond imagination. But it can be experienced. Those who experience, they know the sweetness of Krishna. And those gopis who came on this earth, they also explain the sweetness of Krishna love. That cannot be compared with any other sweetness in the divine world.